Hello everyone! Today I'm so excited. I'm going to be taking you guys along with me to do my fall decorate with me. I'm going to be decorating my living room and my kitchen for fall and I'm so excited. So thumbs up this video if you guys love decorate with me videos, and that way I know to do more in the future for like all the other seasons, especially Christmas time. So this year for my fall decorate with me, I decided my theme was going to be neutrals with a little hint of pink. I just had to when I saw these like beautiful pink pumpkins, which you guys will see in a little bit. And definitely stay tuned until the end because I'm going to be doing a pumpkin spice latte that you can make at home. And I'm going to be making these apple cinnamon cups that are so easy and quick to make, and they're such a delicious fall treat. All right, so before we get into the decorating, I just thought I'd do a quick little outfit of the day. I'm going to take you guys in my closet mirror so I could show you guys my full outfit today. I just love a good sweater and jean combination for fall, for an everyday like casual look. These jeans though, you could even glam up for nighttime with like a bodysuit and a moto jacket. So these jeans are Good American. I love their brand so much because of what they stand for and how inclusive they are, even with their sizing. They have sizes starting out from extra small to 4X, which is so great. And their fits are so flattering that it's gonna make women feel more confident. And I just love that messaging behind it. And I also wanna say a big thank you to Good American for partnering with me on this portion of the video. These jeans are such a great fall wardrobe staple. I love the straight leg style. And what's so great about Good American jeans is that not only is the fit perfection, but I love the comfort. Like you could literally lounge around your house in these because they're that comfortable. Like you don't feel like you're in your everyday, you know, jean that maybe you're used to. If you guys have never tried it, I would definitely recommend giving Good American jeans a try. I feel like they fit true to size, and I just, again, love this silhouette in particular. If you're not sure what to go with, I would go with this style because they are so flattering and I feel like they're extremely comfortable. They have that nice amount of stretch to them and they have a slight amount of distressing. So you could take these from day to night, and the comfort level and quality, you'll have them for years and years. So if you guys are interested, I will have a coupon code and link below in case you guys want to check it out. You could save 20% off plus free shipping on orders over 100. So I highly recommend checking them out because you guys know I don't like uncomfortable jeans, and these are definitely so good. So definitely loving them, and I have it paired, as I said, with this sweater, which I will link below for you guys. I love this color, but I think it comes in 4 colors total. So I definitely just want to show you guys this quick outfit of the day. I'll have even my headband. Everything will be linked below. All right, you guys, so here's a look at my living room. I'm gonna show you guys my living room first, and then I'll show you guys my coffee bar area, which I'm gonna be decorating as well, as I mentioned. So here is a look at my couch and my side table, and then my coffee table. And then over here is this little corner with a chair and some lanterns, and the main area here with the fireplace and my TV, which I have some music playing on my TV, but I had to just pause it. All right, here's a little look at my coffee bar area. I just got in this 3-tier marble tray, if you want to call it that. I just got that in, so that's why it's completely bare right now. But this, I just had these like spring flowers for like spring and summer, and kind of looking a little bare, so we're gonna decorate it all up for fall. I'm so excited about this area too. I just love a good like coffee bar situation. But now I'm gonna show you guys everything I got. All right, so here is an overview of all the items I'm gonna be working with today. This is like a random fall haul, but I'm gonna have everything, as I said, linked below. I don't think I'm gonna go through individual items that you'll see as I decorate, but a lot of it's very accessible, and I pretty much, I think, got everything online, like Target, Walmart, Amazon, Hobby Lobby, those kind of places. So I will try my best to find everything for you guys. I'll just kind of go in close and a quick pan around so you guys could see. I'm going to be working with this garland, which I already have. This garland is from Pier 1, which they are going out of business, so I don't think I'll be able to link that anymore. So I'll try to find something similar for you guys in case you want to work with it. I'll be keeping that there. And the rest, I'll be removing this centerpiece, and we'll be moving things around, but I'll show you guys as I go along. I'm starting out with the fall garland, and I wanted to make it fuller, so I'm combining the greenery I already had, and I'm bending some of the branches and intertwining them to give them the look of one garland, and I really love how these turned out.
Wasting this time that I borrowed, running too fast for the sun. burn for tomorrow.
I'm then taking these candlesticks I found from Walmart. They were so inexpensive, and I ordered another set as well, and they're gonna go on the other side, but they just didn't come in yet.
I'm keeping up through.
And then I also found these flameless candles to go on them, and they look so real, and they are battery operated too. And the best part is they have a remote control for them.
All for you. I'm keeping up through lows and highs, and I see it. Why I'm alive, it's all for you.
Next, I'm putting together the Happy Fall banner I found from Etsy. It is so darling. I just feel like it finishes off the entire fireplace. It was so easy to string together, and then I just tied a knot on each end, and I have a command hook already on my fireplace. It's a clear one from Amazon. I can link those below for you guys. They're great. I even used them around Christmas time when I had my Christmas garland on there as well.
My eyes, they still burn for tomorrow. It might never come.
Next, I'm adding these fairy lights to the garland. I felt like the garland just needed an extra little something, and this totally changed up the entire look of it as well. It just made it a little cozier and super cute.
See it. Why I'm alive, it's all for you.
And now I'm replacing the dried rose petals in this gold tray with some white mini pumpkins. They are so cute and so mini, and I thought they worked perfectly in this tray. And now I found these blush pink pumpkins, you guys. They come in a couple other colors as well. I also got the neutral like cream color. They are knit pumpkins and they're so soft. And then I found them on an Etsy shop. As much as I love my pink peony floral arrangement on my coffee table, I am swapping it out for a more fall inspired floral arrangement. I found these flowers in Hobby Lobby, and I thought they were the perfect tone for especially fall.
Remember me, I remember you. I've been thinking about you more than ever.
And here I am just sweeping up any of the excess glitter that fell off the garland. And now we're in my coffee bar area. I found this beautiful 3-tier organizer. It's really a tray to serve food, but I'm going to use it as a little coffee bar station. I'm going to add some coffee syrups and some pumpkins and my fall mugs.
Cause I can see the person I know I should be. Cause honestly, I don't have no time to waste. I'm trying to come back to you because now I see we were meant to be. Where are you now? Heard you live far away, but just tell me where and I'll come see ya. Cause I'm afraid that I'll end up here alone. Hope you'll understand how much I need ya. Take me back to when we were kids.
And now to make 2 different fall treats. One is a dessert and another is a fall drink that I know is a favorite for so many. The first one we are going to make are the apple cinnamon cups. I found this recipe on Pinterest as I was looking for some fall desserts, and this one looks so good, and the best part is that it is so easy to make. So you just get a can of cinnamon rolls. I am just placing them into a muffin tin with some spray so they don't stick. And then I'm just going to use a spoon to kind of mold them into a cup. And that is where I'm going to put a little spoonful of apple pie filling. And I bake these for 10 minutes. And then I placed the pre-made frosting that came with the cinnamon rolls and put it into a Ziploc baggie and cut off the tip of it.
Take me back to when we were kids and didn't care if we were acting.
And now it's time to make the iced pumpkin spice latte. This was so delicious.
If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see the person I know I should be.
On a pan, I just heated up the almond milk, the pumpkin puree, and the honey. And you simmer that on the stove until it's all blended together, and then you add the pumpkin pie spice. It also called for vanilla, but I did not have vanilla, but that will be for next time. I could try it with that. That is it for my fall decorate with me. If you guys enjoyed it, give this video a thumbs up and let me know what your favorite room is to decorate for fall. Is it like your foyer area? Is it your living room? Do you decorate your kitchen or even like your bedroom or bathrooms? Let me know below. I'd love to hear from you guys. And if you are new here, definitely consider hitting subscribe below. I make videos 3 times a week on fashion and lifestyle. So I am going to end today's video here. I love you guys so much and I will see you all in my next video very soon. Bye.